What are typical savings with Save Club? Well, do you like food? Do you like water? You like drinkies? You like to sleep? You like to travel? How about, cranking some tunes on Sirius XM? Popeye's chicken. What's better, Popeye's? What about KFC? How about Papa Murphy's versus Papa John's where you just cook it yourself? Do you like those Whoppers? Oh, those damn Whoppers. Oh, every time I drive by a Burger King, you can smell that char-broiled moo. Okay, that darn cow. They're cute. They make milk. They make baseball gloves and shoes. And oh my gosh, they're pretty damn tasty in those Whoppers. You like to fly. You like to stay at hotels probably when you visit, maybe grandma or go to Vegas. Oh my gosh, what else? I could go on forever. Do you like to buy flowers for mom, dad, maybe a loved one? Well, 1-800-Flowers is in there. A lot of local deals. Because when you log in, you can put in your zip code and it'll show you local deals. And what I want to do is just show you how to do this Save Club thing by clicking a tab, and then how you can also submit your business. If you have a badass business, maybe you want to be inside the Save Club arena. Okay? So, anyway, let me show you a couple things on how I promote Save Club. I almost have 100 people signed up already. And June 1st of 2025 is when the company said, ready, set, go. Let's kick some ass. And today's only June 5th. So 5 days. That's all. We're babies. We still have Pampers on, pooping and peeing, and we need some love. All right, so joinsaveclub.org. I want you to go there. That is my link, so you can kind of snoop around a little bit and see if you want to do this. Okay? But it's up to you. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the back office. Now, I've already joined. And if you join by the month, awesome. If you join annual, you're VIP and you make bigger commissions. And that's something you can look into with the comp plan. Okay, and the video link will be below this video. And if you want to see it, just go here. Right there, saveclub.com/pay plan. You guys can see how we get paid. Now, if you log into Save Club, do you see right there it says My Deals off to the left or at the top? Both links go to the same location. This is it. Boom. Now, first, let me go to the bottom of this page. If you have a business and you want to submit it, see where it says, are you a merchant and want to work with us? Click that Get Started. Fill out the forms and maybe work it out. My friend's Tannin Salon is in there. I got a few friends' car washes here in Salt Lake City. And of course, we have massive deals with Disneyland, Universal Studios. Oh my God, Progressive Insurance Travelers. Here locally, Window Genie, the ground guys. I love all the local names. They're always kind of fun and catchy. All right, you travel into the airport. Lyft is inside. The parking spot, if you want to park your car for a good deal, go ahead, check it out. Why not? You got to go anyway. Save 15%. Are you going to that dang Burger King? Tell them to quit making that char-broiled moo kind of go in the air outside each restaurant. Because when I drive by Burger King, I could give a rat's ass until I smell Whoppers cooking on the grill. All right, Ford. Look at that. You want to save on a car? $4,925. If you're going to buy a car anyway, at least click and see what their deals are. Work it out. Buff is fun. I love this name. Hey, go to Buff. Are you buff? Are you, I don't know, that means you're naked or maybe you're in good shape. All right, but in the Buff, see right here, when you click it, you can put in any zip code. I put in Salt Lake City just so you can see some of the local deals. But when you hit like the menu button right there, hotels, parks and tickets, car rentals, flights. Do you like to eat? Millions and millions of restaurants are going to be available worldwide. Just give us 3-6 months, maybe a year. But yes, we're going to be in every city, every country. Don't worry. But we're only 5 days old. So got to relax a little bit. But, travel is just amazing. Parks, eat, any of these tabs, play and shop. Just click any one of them. And if you want to kind of make it easy after you put in your zip code, just click here like pizza, Costco. I'm a big fan of cars. All right, and if you need auto part savings, why not? Look at that, the car wash detail, that's what I did here locally. Look at that, gas station. Holy crap, check it out. Guys, pretty soon we're going to be saving on gasoline and on diesel, which I can't wait because I own all big engines, 454 Chevy engines. I got a bunch of Hummers, the military vehicles, and they run on diesel. And they all get like, my Hummers get about 7 to 9 a gallon, and my trucks get about 9 to 10, and that's it. So fuel, heck yeah, $6, upside down, but you just enter in your favorite location. And if you're not going to travel much and you just want to see deals locally, then put in your zip code right here. And remember, I'm going to go back out. You log into Save Club, saveclub.com, go to My Deals, click it, and remember, you're going to go to this tab right here. That's where you put in the zip code, search, take hours. If you have a checking account, go online or look at your little check register and see where you shop every week or every month. Because if you go to Walmart, guess what? Walmart's in here. If you go to Home Depot to update, let's say your patio or your hot tub deck, go to Home Depot and Lowe's. Both are similar stores. They're both right in the Save Club. But all you got to do is just search. Or do you need to dream first? Do you need to dream like, oh man, I got a bunch of money. I want to go to Disneyland. Well, you know what? Go right here. Disney World, Florida. Disneyland is in Los Angeles area. I think it's in Anaheim, if I remember right. Universal Studios, both, one in Los Angeles, Studio City, and the other one is in Orlando. But just see what the deals are. Maybe they're so substantial that you can finally afford to go. It is expensive. And you might, even if you only save 10%, well, if your vacation is $5,000, you save $500. That's about how much a bottle of water is at Disneyland. So you can get an extra bottle of water for that $500. But anyway, I'm a big fan of Save Club just as a member. So $19.97 a month, lock in, go in the back, and trust me, in the next month, 3 months, 6 months, the more millions of people that join and the more millions of businesses that join worldwide, the savings are going to be more substantial. Now, every day I always get a smartass that emails me. Hey, I just went on Amazon and Save Club and, it's almost the same price. Oh, man, I'm going to roll over and I'm just going to probably jump off a bridge. Are you telling me that Save Club only saves you 50 cents on those shoes? Well, you know what? Come back in 3 to 6 months to a year when we have millions of members and millions of deals worldwide. And you're going to see we're going to be able to smash just about any deal when it comes down to like an Amazon or Orbitz or Priceline. Okay. They have a big head start on us. I'm producing this video 5 days after our Ready, Set, Go day of June 1st, 2025. Yes, today is only June 5th. That's it. So give us time. We're going to be in Europe. We're going to be in Asia, Africa, down to Brazil. Yes, down under in Australia. Above our buddies in Canada, they're rocking out, and down below working on their tans in Mexico. Okay? So just relax. We're coming to your neck of the woods. It's just a time thing. Now, I am an affiliate. I paid the $60. I'm here to build big ass teams and groups. If you want to come along, please let me know, because our Facebook group pages are the biggest in Save Club. They will help you with pictures and video. We have live Zooms Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All you got to do is just relax a little bit and invite only. We're going to get you aboard. Don't worry. And we will give you the best training and marketing that we can. It doesn't cost anything extra. You just got to join for $60. And the $19.97, that's a no-brainer. In my opinion, I think you're going to save way more than $20 a month on things you're already buying. My experience alone has been mind-blowing. So I've saved $900. I've made about $4,000 already in 37 days because I pre-launched. I was an affiliate, and I started just building my team before our launch of June 1st, and I already got almost 100 people locked in. My income has been $4,000 just with Save Club, and with the new funnel system, I just reached $900 today. 900 plus $4,000, $4,900 cash, boom, and I've saved 900. And that is my experience of first 37 days. I'm going to show you everything I do. There's no, and there's more. There's no mysterious voodoo going on. This is not where only people that have been in the online business guru category wins. This is where you save money on things you're already going to buy. And then tell a friend, tell another friend. Just tell another friend, invite them to a link, and that's all I do. So let me go ahead and wrap up this video. I always try to go about 10 minutes, as you know. And this is it. Here's both the cards. that I ordered from Vistaprint. They're about 22 bucks. Joinsaveclub.org. Just go there and please check it out. I think you're going to like it. You're going to watch this little video here. It's about 6 minutes. It's just a YouTube video of our founder, Charles. He's going to talk a little bit, show you some cool stuff. Fill out this form below. Hit that orange button. You're going to get an email, and you can join that way, okay? So what's the link again? There you go, guys. Joinsaveclub.org. Rock and roll? Sound good? It sure does. That is the official way to save on a whole bunch of cool stuff with Save Club. Now, the funnel system, I'm going to leave you just to look at it because it's 25 bucks. This is if you're stuck with Save Club. You don't feel like you joined a team. You kind of joined someone, but you're dangling out there. You don't know what to do. I want you to join a team. I want you to join Save Club Funnels. Okay? Just remember, funnels with an S. Come aboard, and you're going to fill out just the same thing. If you want to see it real quick, I might as well. What the hell? I'm at 11 minutes. Let me just show you what it looks like if you don't mind. How about Save Club Funnels? Now, when you click that link, this is what's going to pop up on your screen. You're going to go ahead and just fill in this white little rectangle with your let's all rock. You guys all want to rock? Let's do it. I own this Gmail. I went ahead and filled it in. I hit that yellow button. Now, this is a 20-minute that really explains Save Club nicely. It does a damn good job. Watch it. And if you want to join Save Club, hit this red button. And if you've already joined, then just hit Get the New Funnel. Go ahead and just click that red button right there. It's 25 bucks. You can see Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and American Express. Then I want you to definitely get all of our training and done-for-you videos where you can upload to, God, let's say X, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. There's longer videos and there's those short ones that are about anywhere from 7 to 15 seconds to 30 seconds. They are all waiting there for you. We got tons of folders where you just upload and post like a maniac. Okay? You're joining a team. I want you to join a team. I think you're going to have a much more social experience. You're not going to feel like you're just out there alone where you're going to quit. I want you to save money big time just with the membership. But I really want you to earn some money. Now, if you're watching me live, this is a 5-day ordeal. That's it. We kicked this thing off only 5 days ago. We're on target to sign up about 1 million our first year, and they can only sign up underneath affiliates like myself and like you. So if you got $19.97 plus that $60, please lock in now and just get posting like a crazy person. Have some fun too. This is not heavy lifting. This is not an expensive endeavor. But for me to make $4,900 my first 37 days and save $900 on top of it, wow. I had no idea that I would be any good at this save thing. But oh my gosh. There it is, guys. Joinsaveclub.org. SaveClubFunnels with an S.com. You guys can figure it out, okay? All right, I'm done. This is where I do the peace sign, and I welcome you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions about Save Club, I know it pretty darn good right now. Get a hold of me anytime. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Deal? All right, guys. Kick some butt. I'll see you soon, okay? All right, bye.